Hi! In front of me is REALME GT Neo2, and today I would like to show you how you can add events to calendar on this device. First of all, access calendar. And click on the month above. Then pick a date by tapping on the chosen one and click on this plus icon to create an event. Select event over here and customize it however you wish to. You can, for example, add a title, pick starting or ending hour, set up notifications minutes, hours or weeks before, and even take notes. When you're ready, just save at the top right corner, and as you can see, my event was successfully added. You can edit it by tapping on it, clicking on this pen icon over here, and making your changes. Remember to just save one more time. You can also get rid of your event by clicking on it one more time, but this time choosing those three dots at the top right corner, selecting delete, and confirming your choice in the pop-up. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!